Welcome back to the discussion and thank you for always joining us. This is KCSE 2007 paper 2 number 13, a question on longitudes and latitudes, and also another question that was done in KCSE 2006 paper 2 number 16. And the question we have reads, that is 2006 paper 2 question number 16 reads, two places P and Q at 36 degrees north, 125 degrees west, and 36 degrees north, 55 degrees east respectively. Calculate the distance in nautical miles between point P and Q measured along the great circle through the North Pole. For us to be able to understand this question, I'm going to start by sketching. This is the diagram of the Earth. I'm going to have the prime meridian. Then one point is to the east and another one is to the west. Assuming this is the equator at 0 degrees, the 2 points are raised. They are raised 36 degrees north of the equator. One point is to the west. This is a point P, and the other point Q is to the east. Point P is 36 degrees north, but 125 degrees west, and another point Q is 36 degrees north, 55 degrees east. We have been told to calculate the distance in nautical miles between P and Q measured along a great circle, and in this case, for us to get the angle difference, remember we are moving from 36 to the north, which is 90, but remember from the equator to the north we have 90 degrees, meaning from 36 to the far north we are going to have 54. Then we move from point P to the north and again back. Let me use a different ink. We are moving from P to north and from north to a point P, so we are going to cover a total of 54 degrees times 2, giving us 108 degrees. In that particular case, we are not moving along a small circle, but we are moving along a great circle that is through the north. For us to be able to find the distance in nautical miles between P and Q that lie on a great circle, distance is given by 60. You multiply by theta, where theta is our longitude difference. In this case, we are going to take 60, we multiply by 108, and this one is going to give us 6480 nautical miles as the answer to KCSE 2006 paper 2 question number 16. We move to KCSE 2007, that is paper 2 question number 13, and in this question we have two places A and B are on the same circle of latitude north of the equator. The longitude of A is 118 degrees west and the longitude of B is 133 degrees east. The shorter distance between A and B measured along the circle of latitude is 5422 nautical miles. Find to the nearest degree the latitude on which A and B lie. In this case, we know that distance in nautical miles will be given by alpha. You multiply by 60 cos latitude. In this case, to get the alpha, which is the longitude difference, we are going. So to get the longitude difference, because we have been told one is 125 degrees west and another 155 east, we are going to have 118. We are going to have 125. So we are going to have 118. We add 133. And this one is going to give us a total of 251 degrees. But we have been told that the shorter distance between A and B was measured along the circle of latitude. And for us to get the shorter distance, we are going to use the shorter distance is going to use an angle of 360 minus 251, giving us 109 degrees. From this point now we can get the distance, and the distance will be obtained using alpha times 60 cos latitude. The alpha is 109 times 60 cos of latitude, which is theta, and this gives us the distance of 5422. From here now we can divide both sides by 109 times 60. Divide by 109 times 60. 109 and 60 will cancel, leaving us with cos theta being equal to 5422 divided by 109 times 60 will give us 6540. And this one is going to give us an answer equivalent to 0.8291. And for us to get the angle theta, we must get the cos inverse of 0.8291, and this one is going to give us 33.99 degrees, which is approximately 34 degrees, and this one is going to be towards the north. Thank you for watching and welcome to our discussions. And in case you are watching this channel for the first time, please take a second or two, you click the subscribe button so that anytime we publish a video like this, you will automatically be given a notification. For those who are watching this channel for the first time, you subscribe and that subscription will directly support this channel. Thank you and welcome.